All right, the next thing that we're going to talk about is increasing and decreasing intervals. When we're analyzing a graph, sometimes we are interested in determining the intervals where a graph is increasing, meaning going uphill, or decreasing or remaining constant. Okay, I can think of sales as a situation. There's times during the year when things sell quite a bit. There's times when they sell less. You don't sell a whole lot of Christmas decorations in July. And so sometimes you want to just look at a graph and analyze where are the spots that things are increasing, where are they decreasing, when does it seem to stay the same. Okay, and when we do that, we're just looking, it's kind of like figuring out the domain, the domain of where something is increasing and decreasing. We don't necessarily care about what the y values are at those points. And again, just like with the domain, you're moving left to right to determine where things are increasing and decreasing. And think of increasing and decreasing as uphill or downhill. Increasing means the graph is going uphill. Decreasing means it's going downhill. And constant means it's just a horizontal line. All right, so here we have a nice looking graph. And we're going to go left to right and pause every once in a while to determine when there seems to be a change in direction so that we can assess whether we were just increasing or decreasing. And as we move in this first part of the graph, obviously we are decreasing. And again, you write it like you do the domain. Soft brackets, negative infinity to negative 5. At that point, it starts to increase. Why do you think it is that we put the negative 5 with a soft bracket instead of a hard bracket? Well, the reason is, specifically at that point, it's neither increasing nor decreasing. So, obviously our next interval is going to start with negative 5 with a soft bracket, and it's increasing. So from negative 5 to negative 2, both soft brackets were increasing. Now it looks like we're going to decrease again. From negative 2 to positive 5, and once again we're increasing from that point, from 5 to infinity. It's really that simple. Okay, I'm going to go through it again, looking at it just a little bit differently. Okay, because starting at the end of the graph from the left, we're going downhill. So we are decreasing and then increasing and then decreasing and increasing. So it's fairly easy to see where those intervals are occurring. All right, let's try another one. Oh yeah, forgot this. We use soft brackets for these because the exact point where the direction changes is neither increasing nor decreasing. Actually, I'm pretty sure I did mention that. All right, so let's take a look at this one. I'd like you to try this one on your own, which means you should pause the video. Write down your increasing, decreasing, or constant intervals, and you should get this. Increasing to begin, decreasing, constant, increasing, decreasing. So I hope that makes sense. It should be pretty easy for you. And that is the end of this video. Adios.